If-else statement in Python. Hello there. Today we are going to learn about a conditional statement in Python. The if-else statement. The if-else statement is used to execute a block of statements when the condition is true and another block of statements when the condition is false. The syntax of if-else statement is if condition statements else statements. If the condition is true, the block of statements under the if statement is executed. If the condition is false, then the block of statements under the else statement is executed. Let's understand the operation of the if-else statement using a flowchart. If the condition is true, the body of if statement is executed, and if the condition is false, then the body of else is executed. Come on, let's write a simple program using the if-else statement to check if a year is leap based on the number of days entered. If the number entered is 366, then the message "It is a leap year" will be displayed. If the number is not 366, then the message "It is not a leap year" will be displayed. Days equals to int input. Enter the number of days in the year. If days equals to 366, print "It is a leap year." Else, print "It is not a leap year." Now let's execute the program. Click the Run Module option under the Run menu in the editor window. In the output screen, let's type the number 366 and press Enter. Observe the output now. Look, the sentence "It is a leap year" is displayed. Let's again run the program and type a different number. Let's type 365 and press Enter. The message "It is not a leap year" is displayed. We now know that if the condition is true, the message below the if statement is executed. But if the condition is false, then the message below the else statement is executed. Wasn't that easy? Try writing simple Python programs using the if-else statement in your lab sessions. Thank you.